So it's, what, just past 8 o'clock maybe?
Yeah, 8:22.
8:22. We're gonna start the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. As you can see, it's 19.4 kilometers. We are at 0K right now. The sun's really bright, so I don't even know if you can see the sign. Let me get below the sun here. There it is. And then you can see over there in the distance, we have Mount Ngauruhoe something? Ngauruhoe, I think is how he said it. That's Mount Doom. So we're gonna try to go to the top of that if we can. We've heard that someone might try to stop us. We'll see. Well, we'll see you a few Ks later. So we are a few Ks into the crossing, going through this valley now of rocks and cliff faces. And there's Mount Doom right there again. And the bright sun just beating down on us as we walk through this path. How's it making you feel, Lauren?
Sweaty.
Yeah, sweaty, very sweaty. Taking a quick detour at a place called Soda Springs on our hike through the Tongariro passing. Mount Ngauruhoe behind us. And there's a Lauren. Just past the "Are you sure you want to do this" sign. I think our answer is yes. And so it begins the steep climb. Are you ready?
Yep.
And some toilets. Well, this is a fun little bit of stair climbing we're doing. When you say?
Yep.
This camp, where all those people are coming from down there. Taking a short water break right now. We can look over the valley we just walked up and look at the rest of the trail that we have to go. It's going up that way towards the sun, and Mount Doom's on our right. And I got a giant fly that just landed on our GoPro. Getting ever so closer to the top of Mount Doom. All right, caution falling rocks. We've come off the beaten path a little bit. Gonna try to climb up to the top of Mount Doom here, or Mount Ngauruhoe, depending on your perspective. Not a lot of people around us, but we did see someone walk up this way. So, if we don't make it back, let the world know that we tried to destroy the ring. So here we are, maybe about halfway up Mount Ngauruhoe from where we started, or Mount Doom, whichever you'd prefer to call it. The trail's pretty rough now. It's mostly like sand and broken down rocks. So every step we take like a half step back. See if I can catch up to Lauren. It's not easy. Ooh, good workout though. Well, here we are sometime later up the side of Mount Ngauruhoe or Mount Doom. You can see out in the distance there's some trails and one going up that ridge there. That's where we're supposed to go. But we've got this little bit up here still that you can see.
It's very slippery.
Yeah, it's rough, but we're gonna do it. Well, we've made it almost to the top of Mount Doom, and we've heard what sounds like thunder maybe. Or it's gonna erupt, hard to tell. But it's clearing up over there. Ngauruhoe. Mount Doom. A little bit of residue down there. You can see some other things surrounding us in the distance. Looks like a steam vent over there. Maybe releasing some steam. Could be the noises we heard earlier. A little bit of view of the other side. Unfortunately, there's a lot of clouds rolling around us right now. And what's that? Is it Gollum? No, it's Lauren. Well, we've just thrown the ring down into Mount Doom. Evil's been defeated, and we're gonna run back down the mountain.
Yay.
because we're not sure what that thundering noise was before, but we shouldn't take chances. All right, Lauren, show them how it's done. Show them how we ski down Mount Doom.
So you just slide and you hope you don't die.
Yeah? That sounds fun. Let's give it a shot. Oh boy! What? Oh man, oh man. That was fun, right?
Yeah, hiking. We've made it up to the red crater, and I think it was named correctly because it is very red. Got some more mountains. It's beautiful. There's Gerrod. And now Ngauruhoe is completely in the clouds, but you can see that we hiked higher than we currently are.
So we've just come from up there at the red crater, which you can still see the top of just about there. And down here we have Emerald Lake, I believe. Or maybe it's Emerald Lakes. That one's more like a pond. We gotta go up over there on that ridge. I think between those two little hills there, maybe. And then I think from there is where we'll be able to see the parking lot based on some gossip I heard earlier. So we just came up our last uphill as far, well, okay, there's a little bit over there. But our last big one was right here. And that little thing over there near the red crater, we walked down that. Some people are about to walk up it. That's crazy. And then we have a little lake over here on the side. And there's Lake Taupo over there. We got some geothermal activity going on over there. It smells a lot like sulfur even from here. That could be something else. There's Lauren. We're gonna just walking down now. I think there's probably about 2 hours or so till we're done. It's hard to tell because you can't really see a whole lot of the rest of the trail if you just keep winding around this mountain to our left here. So we'll check back in later.
Here we are at the Ketetahi hut, which is currently damaged from an eruption, but we're trying to contact our Airbnb host so he can come pick us up when we get to the car park, which is like 6.4 kilometers away apparently.
We've got about 3 Ks left until the parking lot according to the last sign. And we've come so far down out of the mountains that we're in some sort of a woodland, I would say. What would you say, Lauren?
Yeah,
Some sort of a woods, a bush, a forest, something of tree nature. So we're almost done. Well, we made it. Here's the car park. And we did it. Kidding me?
Here we are at the Manga Day. Oh, I can start it.